Oh my goodness, I did not sleep at all last night. Like, I really didn't sleep at all. I was up early today. It just, I don't know what's going on. But regardless, I got something in my eye now. What the hell? Regardless whether we sleep or not, we get this bread. And to solidify the fact that we're gonna get this bread today, I took the rest of the chocolate milk with me to work today. We gonna get it today, regardless. Me and the chocolate milk, we're one. We are one right now, and we're gonna get this bread. So I hope you guys are ready for 3 weeks, 21 days straight of daily vlogging. I gotta find something good to do for 3 weeks straight, 21 days. We're pushing on a month. That's crazy. To do. Yeah.
Okay. Anything over else?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I don't remember, but we just got 12 biscuits. 12 biscuits. Look at that. Wow. $52 at Bojangles. Huge shout out to the Bo of the Jangles. Famous chicken and biscuits. We get this bread. We literally got this bread today. That is not for you, but okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Today was pretty slow at work, so I ended up, leaving a little bit early. And quick surprise, we get to take a ride in the drift car today. I've never attempted to drift in my truck, and I probably never will, but this is my first time. Hope maybe we'll drift a little. We're just going to the gas station, but we'll see.
What's up, family?
The daily bread.
Oh no, the daily bread.
Daily bread. What are you doing? Oh no!
Is that fun?
Oh my goodness, I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say right now. I thought you were just gonna like turn around. I didn't think it was gonna happen. I have to tell you guys that that was my first little introduction into drifting, and there is nothing else like it. If you guys have never been drifting before, you guys. Sitting in my ass right now. So Zach here drives a 1989 Nissan Silvia S13. Did I get that right?
Yes, you did.
Look at me. And
proud of you, buddy.
It's got a V8 engine in it. Where's my lighting?
It's a VH45 out of it.
Oh shit. And it's really fast. With a couple donuts?
Yeah. Alright.
I'm gonna hold on. Out of my ass now. Look at the smoke in here. Yeah, my truck can't.
So much
My truck can't do that. If you guys have never done something like that, I definitely recommend you find some friends that have drift cars and you go ride with them, because that will change your life. Before we end the video off today, two things. One, I want to give a huge shout out to a special subscriber. Sent me, let's see. He sent me a video earlier, something I want to try and do on the channel. He sent me a little video, and I want to say, I want to give a huge shout out to Mr. Brian that watches my videos. He actually sent me a video, and I'm going to add it into the vlog today. So I hope you guys enjoy this little snippet of Brian who watches the videos. Again, thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing. He is really what I motivate you guys to do, to get up and chase your dreams and get this bread.
What is up? It's currently 7:50 in the morning. I'm getting ready to go into a shift. If you ain't subscribed to that wide bow tie, getting that daily bread and that motivation, I don't know what you're doing.
That was Brian. Huge shout out to Brian. Maybe you guys can send me some more little clips and videos, and I'll add them into the videos. I think that'd really be cool. He, I guess, wakes up every day and watches the videos, and that's freaking awesome. The other thing is, tomorrow I am actually doing a test run of a new giveaway. I'm actually going to do one for myself first to see how it works and to see if it, to see if it goes well. I'm going over to the upholstery shop tomorrow morning to actually try and finalize that and hopefully get it done tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. And then Sunday I'll decide whether or not it's doable for a giveaway starting Monday, which I'm sure it will be. It shouldn't be that bad, but just make sure you guys stay tuned. Watch tomorrow's video if you guys want to find out what the new giveaway is. It should be something coronavirus related, but also customizable to you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. Awesome Friday. Hopefully it's payday for you guys. Make sure you guys stay safe, have fun out there. Make sure to keep watching the videos. You guys are the best. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Lance is coming over from the shop to cut the grass, so I know you guys are excited about that. But I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's get this bread.
Get this bread, baby! That's what I'm talking about.